Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Meta Business Suite reminders for task coordination. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Meta Business Suite application. Log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Reminders section on the left sidebar. Click on Reminders to access the features. Now, locate the Create Reminder button. Select it to start setting up your reminder. Enter a clear title for your reminder. In the description field, provide additional details if necessary. Choose the date and time for your reminder. You can set a repetitive reminder by selecting the Repeat option. Adjust the frequency according to your needs. Next, assign the reminder to a specific team member if needed. Select the team member from the drop-down menu. Review all details before finalizing. Click on the Save button to create your reminder. You will see your new reminder appear in the list. To edit a reminder, click on it directly. Make any necessary changes. For reminders that you no longer need, select the reminder. Then click on the Delete option. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Your reminders will help keep your tasks organized and timely. With these steps, you're ready to effectively use Meta Business Suite reminders. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.